Let's go over the Blue Lizard Baby Mineral Sunscreen. I'm gonna go over what's in this sunscreen, talk about the SPF and water resistance of it, and then go over who this is for. Okay, so one of the main reasons why you would want to get this sunscreen in the first place is it is a mineral sunscreen. It is not a chemical sunscreen. The main active ingredients are zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. So what these active ingredients do is they absorb and reflect the UV rays, and it's really good for sensitive skin. That's one of the main things that chemical sunscreens do, is they irritate skin. And this is SPF 50+, this is a really strong sunscreen, and that just means it blocks up to 98% of the UVB rays. If you don't know, UVB rays are the main driver of sunburn and a big contributor to skin cancer. So the one difference with mineral sunscreens is it can leave kind of a white cast as opposed to chemical sunscreens, but it's really not that big of an issue, and it really gives you kind of an reassurance that the sunscreen is actually on and it's actually doing its job. And what's cool thing about this sunscreen, the sunscreen bottle, is the cap changes color when there's UV rays that are harmful. So that way you know that you need to apply sunscreen. And this is water resistant, so this is great for those outdoor activities, going to the pool, going to the beach, and it can last up to 80 minutes in the water. And it's recommended to reapply after every 2 hours if you aren't sweating a lot or in contact with any water. So who is this sunscreen really for? Really the parents of babies and toddlers who have sensitive skin, and you're looking for a chemical-free formula in the sunscreen. And really anyone wanting a high protection, low irritant sunscreen, this is an excellent option. Just have a look at the sunscreen itself. I'll just put some out so you can see. I'll just rub some on into my hand just so you can see how it rubs in. So it does leave a little bit of a white cast, but again, it's more of reassurance that it's there. And all you can see, we don't see any white sunscreen at all anymore. So if you're looking for a high quality, high protective, no irritant sunscreen, this is definitely one to check out.